ASRock by Lightning Wi-Fi reviews is worth it? ASRock by Lightning Wi-Fi reviews is worth it? If you're building a compact PC and considering the ASRock by Lightning Wi-Fi motherboard, you might wonder if it's truly worth the investment. Most people get this wrong by assuming all mini-X boards sacrifice performance. The surprising truth is that this motherboard delivers impressive features for its size. You won't believe what happens next. The ASRock by Lightning Wi-Fi supports and Ryzen 7000 series processors, offers C50 support for next-gen GPUs and has dual M.2 slots for ultra-fast storage. It also includes robust power delivery, high-quality VRMs, and built-in Wi-Fi for excellent connectivity. Many users report smooth performance even in high-demand gaming or content creation tasks. However, there are trade-offs. Mini-X form factor means fewer expansion slots, limited RAM configurations, and slightly higher pricing compared to X alternatives. For a small form factor build, though, it's one of the best options available right now. In conclusion, the ASRock by Lightning Wi-Fi is worth it if you need a compact, high-performance motherboard with cutting-edge features. Its performance and connectivity justify the cost, but ensure your build requirements match its limitations before buying.